How to fix reset this PC not working. So if you're not being able to reset the PC on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is like if you can't reset your Windows PC by running automatic startup repair, then the built-in startup repair tool is designed to detect and repair common startup problems you may be facing. So you need to press Windows and I keys together, which will open up your settings. Now you need to go with your system, which is on the left, and under system you need to scroll down and you'll find a recovery option. So you just need to simply go with the recovery section. Onto the next screen, you'll have advanced startup. You need to go with restart now, which is on the right side, and your PC will restart and it will boost into startup options. After that, you can go and select an option or click the troubleshoot and then advanced options, select startup repair and wait for the scan to finish. If this method doesn't work, then the second method is to check the system file corruption. This issue is focused on system file corruption or bad system image, which is possibly caused by a both Windows update package. In this case, to resolve the issue, you can run SFC scan or a DISM scan. After that, your problem might be fixed. So in order to do these scans, you need to just go with your search and search for CMD, which will open a command prompt. You can click on run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to enter a command, which is SFC space / scan now, and then hit the enter and wait for the scan to finish. And after that, you need to go with the second command, which is DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / scan help. And again, hit the enter and wait for it to load. And the next command would be check health. After that, hit the enter. And the next one is restore health. After the scan finishes running, you need to restart your PC. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So these were the solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.